In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Google Wallet versus Google Pay and how to use Google Wallet effectively. It's important to understand that while both these apps are developed by Google, they serve different purposes and may have varied functionalities depending on your region. Let's start by looking at what each app essentially is. Google Wallet is a digital wallet application that allows you to store payment cards, loyalty cards, tickets, IDs, and more. It enables you to use your phone for contactless payments, essentially acting as a digital alternative to a physical wallet. On the other hand, Google Pay is more of a comprehensive payment service. It is designed for making online and in-app purchases, sending and receiving money, and managing stored payment methods. The main differences between these two apps lie in their uses. Google Wallet is centered around everything you typically store in a physical wallet. It encompasses not just cards, but also passes, tickets, and keys, and lets you perform tap-to-pay transactions in stores using any cards you've added. Google Pay focuses primarily on the transaction side, whether it's paying merchants online, making app transactions, or peer-to-peer money transfers. In some regions, the functionality of these two apps may overlap or merge, so it could be worth checking which option is more suited to your needs based on where you live. Now, let's dive into setting up and using Google Wallet. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your device. If it's not already there, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. To add a payment card, simply tap on Add to Wallet and then select Payment Card. You can choose to manually enter your card information or scan it using your phone's camera for convenience. Following this, you'll need to complete any verification steps required by your bank, which could be an SMS or an email code. Now, when you're ready to make a contactless payment in store, just unlock your phone and hold the back of it near the payment terminal. If the payment goes through successfully, you'll see a blue check mark appear on your screen. Additionally, you can add various other items such as passes, tickets, transit cards, and loyalty cards through the app as well, using the Add to Wallet option. You have full control over managing your cards and passes within the app. This means you can remove them, edit their details, or even set default payment methods according to your preference. Remember to keep your phone's security features enabled, such as a PIN, a fingerprint, or a pattern lock, as these help to keep your wallet secure. If you choose to make online or in-app purchases and Google Pay is accepted as an option, the card you added in Google Wallet will often be selected for use. To wrap up, Google Wallet is perfect for those who want a single destination for storing cards, tickets, IDs, and using their phone for seamless contactless payments. Meanwhile, Google Pay should be your go-to when you need to send money, pay through apps or websites, or manage various transactions. Many people tend to use both of these apps depending on what functionality they need. Just remember, by adding your payment card to Google Wallet, you're all set to tap and pay in stores and also use it for online purchases when needed.